Hey loves, it's me Jessica, also known as Mrs. Jezzy, and thank you so much for joining me on this Sunday. In today's video, I have some extreme laundry room cleaning motivation for you. As you can see, my laundry room is a mess. It is in need of a good clean. The washer and dryer need to be wiped down. I need to declutter absolutely as much as I can, and I also need to restock the laundry room. It has been a good 5 months since I've restocked it, and I'm just ready to go on ahead and get this over with. So welcome if you are new, and I am so glad to have each and every one of you here with me today. So grab your cup of coffee, your cup of tea, a snack, or if you want to tackle your laundry room with me or any other project that you need to take care of in your home, let's do this together. Let's get this done on this Sunday. Yes, again, thank you for being here. Now let's get into it. Okay, loves, before I start, I wanted to share this hydration drink from Vitauthority. Thank you so much, Vitauthority, for sending this out to me. This is a hydration drink, but it has many more benefits. First off, look at the packaging, just too cute. I was so excited whenever I received it. It kind of reminded me like of a BoxyCharm box because it was like opening up a present. You didn't know exactly what you were gonna get. They do have so many options on their website. But I chose this because I wanted to stay hydrated since I'm doing things in and outside the home and it's so hot here in Texas. But they have a lot of items online. I am going to show a few here up on the screen, some of their top sellers that they have on their website. They have some collagen burn powder, they have multivitamins, they even have bone broth with collagen, some fiber fix. They have a lot of things on their website. Some detoxing, of course, the Revive hydrating packets that I received. I chose these because, like I said, one, it's super hot. I'm in and out the house. I'm so busy. But not only does it give me hydration, it is going to help smooth cellulite, healthy glowing skin, weight management, which you all know that I am on a weight loss journey, non-GMO, no artificial colors, gluten-free, and caffeine-free. So just so many great benefits to this. I am so pleased with this product. At first, I thought the flavor was a bit sour because it's lemon. That's the only flavor that's on the website. But as I continue to drink it, I like it more now. I would like it very chill. So that's why I'm adding it to this cup of ice. And then you'll see me sipping it throughout the video because I really do enjoy it. So again, thank you, Vitauthority, for sending this product out to me. I'm definitely going to restock up on this. I probably have about 14 more days to go with this package. And then I also want to try some other collagen products. But let's go on ahead and get into this video. If we just try, so come on, baby, dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try. I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, now that I've taken everything out of the laundry room, I am going to quickly dust it off because you guys know my laundry room accumulates so much dust. So I'm going to quickly dust it off, and then I am going to continue using Pine Sol. I am just reusing a Mrs. Meyer's bottle, and I filled it up with half Pine Sol, half water, and that's what I'm using to wipe down the laundry room. And that's just what I've been using all summer. I just love the scent, and it just smells so fresh and so clean. It smells even more clean when I add a candle at the end. But you guys pretty much know my routine when it comes to cleaning my laundry room. I like to take everything out, give everything a good wipe down, sweep the floors. The only difference in this one is I'm actually going to mop the floors after I do all the restocking. Although I'm not doing the restocking in the laundry room, I'm actually doing it in the kitchen. It's just so much easier, so much more space on the island, so I just chose to do it there. But yes, I just wanted to let you know that it is Pine Sol in this bottle. And then after I'm done wiping down, I'm gonna go ahead and clear off the rest of the stuff on this shelf that I have here in the laundry room, the first one, because this is where I'm going to start putting all of our towels. I do have some towels in the bathrooms under the cabinet, or at least my bathroom already, but I wanted to make space here because we do have a lot of towels.
Not like it was before. At the edge and we should break it. You keep on coming back for more.
Okay, love, so I am taking a quick break. I mean, really quick. I am just going to show you everything that I use to restock my laundry room. I believe in my last video I said I wasn't gonna have to explain this, but I feel like some people just do not quite understand why I purchase what I purchase and use what I use, because I always get questions about why I have either the powder, the liquid, or the pods, and it's because I use everything for something different, especially the powder, because I do not put Tide powder in my washing machine, although I do use the OxiClean. So I'm just gonna explain again really quick why I use what I use. First off, we are a family of 6, so we definitely have laundry at all times, and then I do have 2 high school cheerleaders, so I'm constantly washing practice uniforms and their uniforms, just whatever they need for cheer. So of course I have my fabric softener, and just an FYI, if you are new to my channel, I will always stick to Tide and Downy products. It's just something that I grew up with. It brings comfort to me. It reminds me of being in my grandmother's home, growing up in her home. So I will always use these products. I may use different scents, but it will always be a Tide or Downy product. But over here I have my Downy liquid, my fabric softener. My favorite as far as Downy when it comes to the liquid, I really like the April Fresh. It's just what my grandma used, and it just smells so good, and it just reminds me of her. She has been gone for a while, but just doing laundry, it's just emotional for me, and this brings me comfort. So I have 2 of these. I do use these jars, canisters, dispensers from Walmart. So I don't remember when I bought this big one if it filled it up all the way, so I just spent an extra $5 and got this one. And if it does fill up the whole thing, then I'll just hold on to this little one for a while. But that's what I use. Now, I prefer the liquid when I wash my big comforters. So my kids have big blankets, I have big blankets, and then I have a big white comforter. As you can see, my washer and dryer is a normal size washer and dryer. It's not commercial, industrial, nothing like that. So it's just a regular washer. And when I tend to use either the Tide beads, not beads, the Tide pods, they don't dissolve because the cover is too big for my washer. So I prefer to use the liquid for both the fabric softener and the Tide. That is why I have Tide liquid and Downy liquid. Now, for regular clothing, and my kids especially, the girls, they prefer the Downy beads along with the Tide pods. We don't overflow the washer with clothing, so the Tide pods and the Downy beads work great for that. But as far as towels and bedding, I prefer liquid. OxiClean, of course, I use that for my white clothes. I try not to use bleach on my white clothes because one, I feel like if you put too much, it stains it. And then if you use too much bleach, I feel like your socks stink. So I prefer to just use OxiClean. The bleach is mostly for white sheets, white bedding, and my big white comforter. That's what I use the bleach for most of the time. And then of course I use it in my dishwasher and when I'm washing dishes. But I don't ever really buy a super big Clorox bleach. I just, you know, get the small one, and I prefer the no splash formula. But that's what I use as far as whitening my clothes, are these two products. And to sanitize my products, I love the Lysol sanitizer. I just love the linen scent. I know it's a basic scent, but it just smells really good, and I like that one a lot, so I prefer to use that one. I've already mentioned that my kids like to use the Downy beads. I feel like the Downy beads and the Tide Pods help me control how much product we use, because like I said, the liquids are mostly for things that get washed at least twice a month. The towels every week, but the bedding at least twice a month. When I say bedding, I'm talking about the big stuff, the big covers and the comforters. The sheets get washed weekly. Each room has at least 2 sets, which we need to buy more, but man, bedding, especially for a king size bed, is super expensive. And then of course the liquid. And then the only time I use the Tide powder is if I am scrubbing down some shoes by hand before I put them in the washer, or I like to use it on the laundry room floor and the bathroom floors because they are ceramic. So I like to use that, mix it in with a little bit of bleach to really sanitize the bathroom floors. But yes, that's why I purchased so much at one time. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, and also I want to mention this for the people that are new, this right here will last us about 5 months. The last time I did a laundry restock, clean laundry room, I mean, I tidied it. I have tidied the laundry room up, but as far as restocking, it's like 5 months. And I don't coupon or anything like that. It's just whenever I have the extra money, I'll just buy, and then I'll hold off on it and to use it until I'm ready to restock the whole laundry room. The last video I posted was in February, and it was actually filmed like the second to last week of January. So we are now going to be in July in a few days, and I'm just now restocking all of my laundry products, and that's why it looks like it's so much right now, but this is all I'm gonna buy for a while. So I am going to go ahead and turn the camera back around, and I am going to start restocking.
You love me. Ooh, I honestly thought that you loved me. So why would you make me go to stupid parties with your homies? When you know I'm way too shy to function right. When you know I'll probably mess up your night, baby.
Okay, loves, we are towards the end of the video. If you are still here, please drop some bubble emojis down below to let me know that you watched the video all the way through. I just need to steam mop the floor. I did have some areas where I had dropped some Tide liquid, so it was stuck on there and I needed the steam mop to get it off. I decided I wasn't gonna bring that hamper back in here. I just needed more space, and then I also wanted to have my Tenco mop vac in here because, you know, I have to charge it, and I just thought it was better off in here than being over there in the living room. The hamper I did give to the girls, so they are going to be using that in their room. But this is the end of the video. As you can see, everything is already restocked, everything is wiped down. It smells so nice and clean here. Thank you to all of you who watch my videos all the way through. It means so much to my oldies but goodies, guys. Thank you for always coming back and supporting my channel. Your support will never ever go unnoticed, and I will forever tell you thank you for always coming back and supporting my channel. To all of my new subscribers, guys, thank you so much for joining my YouTube family. I'm so grateful to have each and every one of you here. And to all the ones who watch my videos and have yet to subscribe, like I say in every video, I appreciate you taking the time to watch. It does mean a lot to me that you're taking the time to watch my videos, and I hope that one day you do consider subscribing and joining my YouTube family. I hope you all have had a great weekend. Happy Sunday. And again, thank you for being here, and I will definitely see you all in the next one. XoXo. Love, Jessie.